So the next paper is post-blockchain security, and the author of this paper is Assistant Professor Samina Sajid Mistry, and it is presented by Professor Samina Sajid Mistry. Well, Well, thank you so much, Professor Samina Sajid Mistry, for giving such an informative knowledge to our students. So, going on further, the next paper is on comparative study on hash functions on lightweight blockchain in Internet of Things, which is IoT. So, it is the author of this paper is Assistant Professor Samina Sajid Mistry, and it is presented by Professor Samina Sajid Mistry.
Today I am going to present a research paper presentation on comparative study on hash functions for lightweight blockchain in Internet of Things, that is IoT. So let's get started. Over the previous couple of years, there has been a good interest within the Internet of Things, that is IoT. This can be principally as a result of IoT interacts directly with people's everyday lives in crucial applications like in sensible homes and aid applications. IoT devices generally have a resource constrained design, rendering them susceptible to cyber attacks. Consequently, sensible devices and hold on information got to be secured through lightweight and energy economical security solutions that are known because the main challenge facing adoption of IoT systems to deal with this downside, a troubled technology blockchain, has been expected by the trade analysis community as having the ability to deliver secure, fast, reliable and clear solutions for IoT systems. And this work investigates the adoption of lightweight blockchain technology principally as a technique of securing IoT systems. As a result of hashing plays a significant role in making a steady blockchain structure. We tend to choose variety of various hash techniques to be dead on a Raspberry Pi device. In summation, this work provides a numerical study to gauge the performance of well-known hash functions which will be used for lightweight blockchain-based IoT. Let's get into the introduction of the research paper. The fast evolution of current technology has shifted attention to electronic devices connect to the web, that kind a system referred to as Web of Things or IoT. IoT includes a network of connected devices which will sense and share information autonomously. Victimization wireless device networks, that is WSN, and frequency identification, that is RFID. The variety of IoT application varies from sensible homes and sites to aid application that act directly with people's everyday lives. IoT systems have terribly specific options and an outsized range of devices generating important volumes of data. Therefore, they need high levels of property and power to continue running. To boot, these devices have limitations in terms of computing, storage and network capability, rendering them susceptible to being hacked or compromised by numerous forms of cyber attacks. Therefore, security and privacy are known because the main dilemmas facing IoT systems. According to recent reports, the amount of IoT connected devices is forecasted to extend per annum, reaching 25 billion devices by 2021. This associated dissipated growth within the IoT pushes the necessity to develop an IoT stack and standardized protocols and to search out applicable architectures that may give high quality security and services to IoT devices. Today, most IoT solutions support the centralized server client model connecting to cloud servers. Despite this paradigm operating properly currently, the forecasted growth suggests a replacement schema ought to be developed. Therefore, varied decentralized architectures are planned to ascertain peer-to-peer, that is P2P WSNs. However, these chains faced many privacy and security problems till blockchain technology emerged. Blockchain has the potential to trace, coordinate, send and store transactions and knowledge from an outside range of devices, creating it appropriate for applications that don't need a centralized cloud. Blockchain technology could be decentralized, shared and immutable into ledger that stores a register of assets and transactions across a P2P network. It's a series of blocks that store time-sealed information that are valid by miners. To validate a replacement, block miners should reach an accord through a predefined accord rule such because the proof of labor POW algorithm. That is typically a resource-intensive task. Overall, blockchain technology depends on scientific discipline techniques with hash functions enjoying a significant role in its strong structure. Blockchain systems will be classified into three models: public, private and pool. Public blockchain is taken into account a completely decentralized network wherever all transaction square measure visible to the general public and everybody will participate within the accord method. Non-public blockchain is regarded as centralized network wherever solely those nodes that come back from a selected organization will be a part of accord method. Finally, pool blockchain is taken into account as part of decentralized network where solely a group of pre-selected nodes participate within the accord. Blockchain technology was first given within the cryptocurrency sector, Bitcoin, though it currently offers nice potential in different applications like e-governance services, money services, age systems, biometric identification and traceability systems. Notwithstanding, in keeping with a scientific review given in 2016, over 18th of blockchain related analysis paper addressed the Bitcoin system, with the rest specializing in different blockchain applications. Let's understand what is the motivation of the hashing into the blockchain. The integration of blockchain into the IoT has caught the eye of each business and analysis communities as a serious methodology of securing IoT devices. However, this integration isn't a simple task, as many serious challenges have to be compelled to be addressed, like high resource needs in blockchain because of utilization of accord algorithms, measurability through problems caused by a large quantity of knowledge and therefore they have to be compelled to reach accord among miners, and lastly, high delays attributed to accord algorithms and different mechanisms. Consequently, the IoT desires lightweight, scalable, distributed security solutions and privacy safeguards, which may be achieved through lightweight and energy economical communication protocols and cryptologic algorithms and hashes. However, it ought to be noted that despite the hardiness of blockchain security systems, they need vulnerabilities which will compromise their overall security. Let's see the contribution. In this context, the aim of this work is to assist in selecting the foremost economical hash functions for resource-constrained IoT devices. To accomplish this, a numerical study is bestowed to gauge the performance of various hash functions. As a result of they play a serious role within the blockchain structure. Now let's see the paper organization. The remainder of this paper is organized as follows. Section A paragraph presents a literature review on studies that have addressed and evaluated the mixing of IoT and blockchain. Section 3 provides the outline of the examined hash function. Section 4 covers the implementation method and specification, and section 5 presents the results and discussion. Finally, the conclusion are reviewed in the section half dozen. So let's see the conclusion. A hash function or a hash is a function that meets the encrypted demands need to solve for a blockchain computation. Hashes are of a fixed length since it makes it nearly impossible to gauge the length of the hash which someone was trying to crack the blockchain. The same data will always produce the same hashed value. Thank you.
Again, thank you so much, Samina Sajid Mistry, for giving such an informative knowledge to our students. Going on further, the next paper is B-Drive, a blockchain-based distributed IoT network. And it is presented by Assistant Professor Samina Sajid Mistry, and also the author of the paper is Samina Sajid Mistry.
Department, and today I am going to present research paper presentation on B-Drive, a blockchain primarily based distributed IoT network for smart urban transportation. So let's get started. Let's get into the introduction. During this paper gift, B-Drive, a blockchain-based distributed IoT network for good urban transportation. The network is intended to attach massive fleet of IoT devices put in unvaried vehicles and margin infrastructures to distributed information storage centers known as full nodes to log and broadcast sensing element generated information. It connects devices from around the town to multiple full nodes to log time-stamped information into blockchain. These sensors vary from GPS, air quality meter, gyrometer to speed cameras in order to facilitate economical urban quality. The three known hardware layers that comprise to the network are IoT layer, storage layer and user layer. They consist of moving or static nodes, full nodes and good devices severally. The moving or static nodes primarily created from moving vehicles and roadside infrastructure severally, therefore acting as varied information sources, whereas full nodes and good devices are establishments and mobile phones acting as information handler or disseminator and navigator or data perceiver severally. The data or information blocks received by full nodes get appended into full and running blockchain meant for specific functions. The network is intended to be free from any block mining activity. It provides more access of anonymous sensing element information to end users, particularly scientists, policy and entrepreneurs, to develop innovative urban transportation solutions. It's believed that a system like B-Drive at the side of existing VANETs is capable of responding to a number of these urban transportation problems around hold-up, navigation and vehicle problem. Alternative applications of blockchain information might vary from user activity mapping to VGI information quality assessment. Two known limitations of BizTalk design are low processed power of current IoT device and lack of urban IoT infrastructure. Let's understand what the term actually is. With world urban population expected to grow from 9 to 7.4 billion between the years 2014 and 2050, there's a worldwide would like for good urban transportation solutions. Virtually 98% of this increase is anticipated to require place in developing nations, primarily from Asia and Africa. It's believed that by 2050 there would be around 2 to 3 billion vehicles running within the world. Good urban resolution refers to the utilization of knowledge and communication technologies (ICT) to optimize town functions and drive economic growth, primarily by the use of rising automation, machine learning and the IoT issue. Has outlined good urban quality as the use of technology to generate and share information and data that influences choice to boost vehicles, infrastructures and services. One among the largest threat any metropolitan town faces nowadays is hold-up. With each new vehicle adventitious to the street, voters and town authorities are facing new challenges to seek out economical ways in which to commute with solely restricted solutions out there. Hold-up features that direct have an effect on our country's economy and citizens' quality of life by increasing quantity of fuel and time consumption on road and decreasing public health. A 2012 report by Securing America's Future Energy has calculated that the quantity of fuel that has been wasted by hold-up in USA alone within the year 2010 was around 19 billion gallons. It's loosely believed that just about 30% of all traffic in cities contains of vehicles trying to find appropriate places to park. Several non-public corporations like Google, Here Mapbox, etc. therefore are actively operating on finding innovative ways in which to improve the daily commute of public. However, in order to capture early adopters and quickly expand businesses by leverage the facility of existing urban infrastructure, they typically leave the developing and underdeveloped nations behind. Presently, operational non-public vendors in urban transportation sector collect countless measurement information worldwide from good handheld and IoT devices to generate daily traffic maps of assorted regions of the planet. The top of those maps are prepared services for finished users like shortest and quickest routing services, etc. However, the drawback is restricted alternative services. Partial and restricted access to collected information build it troublesome for state IT workers and open supply developers to style and develop custom solutions for specific use cases. Application programming interfaces, that is APIs, of those vendors claim to be for solution developers give restricted access of the information set, typically one's data preprocessing. These processes vary from information aggregation, information cropping, data alteration to reducing information's resolution. It's believed that innovation gets restricted by golf shot licenses or data set, familiar strategy of the anti-commerce. There is a current would like of geodata generation by public for the general public for good urban solutions. One classic example around this philosophy is OpenStreetMap 6. Its one robust proof of conception is that there are over 300 presently operational comes leverage the facility of it. Open supply thinkers believe that public information and intellect are public properties and that they shouldn't be left behind beneath any terms and conditions as long as because the obscurity of nation is broken. Human to laptop H2C interaction per se doesn't play any direct role in measurement of information generation for traffic maps. Rather, it's generated mechanically by good and GPS. Global positioning system, enabled IoT devices. IoTs are nothing however embedded devices with net property. They permit exchange of information packages ONS service suppliers ISP. Once connected with GPS, they act as wise device to get longitude, latitude information accessible over internet. An in-depth technical specification of why IoTs are presently getting used joint major supply of measurement and geodata is on the far side the scope of this introduction. However, a number of salient options are autonomous operating, low operational value, low physical house and lower power consumption. The two main limitations of those devices for world coverage are lack of standards for information exchange and lack of networks layers for information security. Just see this table which shows the difference between centralized network and B-drive network. So you guys might able to understand the easy difference between the two. Let's first see the centralized network. What the centralized network does, it uses the pseudonym and data encryption technology to keep the identity of a user hidden. However, lack of trust between different vendors and users is a security threat. While in B-drive, the data is stored in an encrypted block fashion using cryptographic hash functions. Decryption is not possible, it is one-way mathematics. Again, in centralized network, you guys can see possibility of change in policy at any point of time. While in B-drive network, you can see policies are more stable because of government standardization and data distributed nature. In centralized network, it provides one single point of failure or attack. That means there is only single point. In B-drive network, no single point of failure or attack as data is distributed within full and user nodes. Same way in centralized network, limited control of data to public is there. While in B-drive network, high control of data to participating nodes is there. In centralized network, user needs to buy vendor service to use it. While in B-drive network, there is a very little or no participating cost. In centralized network, there is limited access of data set to improve VGI projects. While in B-drive networks, there is a very high access of data set to improve VGI network tiles or other open source projects. Now let's understand why we have to use B-drive. What is the importance of B-drive? Private vendors like Google Maps, Air Traffic Maps, Yandex Map, INRIX, etc. World Health Organization claim to supply live and expected traffic maps and different world additional services around urban transportation of major world cities inherently possesses barriers for scientists, policymakers and entrepreneurs in terms of restricted knowledge access, poor international coverage, low knowledge quality and biased traffic solutions. One could be a traffic coverage map of IT giants that is Google, HERE, Yandex and INRIX. In spite of over a decade-long development of Google traffic, there are several regions in Asia and Africa that are still uncovered. Same might be aforesaid for others too. Note that solely key major cities of Bharat are quoted by Google. In contrary to their claim of nationwide coverage, these vendors collect measurement knowledge from each and the sensible user devices and put in IoT devices on hand-picked vehicles. For static knowledge, they sometimes have faith in public generated geodata like OpenStreetMap. It is argued that it's unethical to anonymously collect public generated data, both static like OpenStreetMap and dynamic like telemetry. However, not enable folks complete and open access thereto knowledge to encourage the event of innovative solutions building of that knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Samina Sajmistry, for giving such an informative knowledge to our students. Going on further, the next title is Token Economics, and it will be presented by Assistant Professor Samina Sajid-Mistry, and also author of this paper is Samina Sajid-Mistry.
And today I am going to present a research paper presentation on token economics and blockchain. So let's get started. Let's first see what is the token economy. Token economics can be understood as a subset of economics that studies the economic institutions, policies and ethics of production, distribution and consumption of goods and services that have been tokenized. This report outlines the current state of tokenization of our economy and discusses potential effects and dynamics of a future token economy. Blockchain technology seems to be a driving force of the next generation internet, what many refer to as Web3. Web3 enables tokenized economic interactions without intermediaries. It provides a unique set of data, a universal state layer also referred to as ledger, which is collectively managed by a network of untrusted computers. This unique state layer allows us to send digital values in the form of tokens entirely peer-to-peer, what we call as P2P. Circumventing the double spending problem, sending digital values over the web has therefore become as cheap and easy as sending an email. As of April 2019, more than 2,200 publicly traded tokens are listed on CoinMarketCap, and more than 1,75,000 Ethereum token contracts were found on the Ethereum main network. In June 2019, social media giant Facebook announced that it is working on its own token, the Libra token, and Web3 infrastructure, the Libra network. Tokens as an application of blockchain and derived technologies might therefore prove to be as revolutionary as the emergence of World Wide Web as an application of the internet. In the early 1990s, when Tim Berners-Lee introduced a new standard, Hypertext Markup Language, or simply HTML, that allowed us to create visually appealing web pages with just a few lines of code. It allowed anyone to surf the web following links instead of using command line interfaces. However, most people back then did not know how to code HTML, nor did they know how to create meaningful and user-friendly websites with appealing content. For a long time, many websites just say hello world and often did not have any other content displayed, or they just listed a collection of links to other websites. It took us almost a decade to figure out how to use websites beyond the scope of online directories and online billboards, and when we did, the Web 2 emerged. Compared to those early days of web, when we are at a very similar stage when it comes to understanding what we can potentially do with tokens as an application of blockchains and the Web 3. Now let's get into the introduction of today's research paper that I have created. So for that we have to understand what are the tokens, because the entire research paper surrounds around the token that we are using in transactions. So let's understand what is a token. A token is an item or mark that is exchanged for goods or offerings. Tokens that are within the shape of pottery cash started out to emerge in human history from the transformation of nomadic searching communities to agricultural groups, as well as the expansion of simple trading economies to different complicated economies. Considering then, token structures in a single way or any other have supplied the simple financial framework for all monetary transactions. From the grocery store to the inventory market, any buying and selling system of trade entails some form of token strengthening. Token systems were used efficiently as tools for ethical management and advertising in schooling and rehabilitation applications on the grounds that as a minimum the early 1800s. More lately, token strengthening systems have played a crucial position within the emergence of behavioral analysis used within the 1960s to 70s. Allen and Azrin 1968, Kasdan 1977. Wherein they stand as one of the maximum successful behavioral based programs inside the history of psychology, of Wolff 1936 and Cowles 1937. And monkeys as experimental studies advanced inside the Yerkes Primate Research Laboratories and published as monographs in the Journal of Comparative Psychology. Those papers describe a chain of interactive exploration subjects along with discrimination of tokens with change and foreign exchange tokens and meals comparisons. Guarantees on the purchase and retention of behavior, non-stop response trying out underneath situation of rapid and delayed consolidation, choices between tokens associated with extraordinary sizes of consolidation and different satisfactory assurances. Examples: meals versus water, play versus escape. And social conduct created via token consolidation tactics, to call a few. Now let's understand what is functional analysis of token reinforcement. The token consolidation machine is an included set of emergencies that defines the connection between token production, accumulation and alternate. Tokens are usually usable items like poker chips, cash marbles, etc. But they can be managed, example dynamic lighting fixtures, factors over the counters, checklists, etc. A token, because the name implies, is something that has no internal value. Any token capabilities it has are set up in the terms of other affiliates, both unconditionally, example meals or water, or conditionally, example money or credit score. Consequently, a token may serve some of the capabilities like strengthening, punishing, discriminating, attracting, etc., depending on its skirting to those different activities. The cutting edge revisions will be organized in phases of recognized behavioral activities: consolidation, brief order, preceding rehabilitation, sports, discrimination and enhancement, and punishment. What are the strategies to strengthen tokens? Let's understand the strategies. Strategies to strengthen tokens and ideas are reviewed and mentioned according with trendy ethical ideas. The paper is divided into 4 predominant sections. Element 1, critiques and discusses previous studies of token instructions structures in relation to everyday behavioral features like consolidation, transient making, plans, previous recovery sports, and resistant manipulate, emphasizing each of the continuation of other emergencies and special factors of token structures. Component 2 describes the position of token tactics inside the law of measurement effect, the notion that fortified earnings and punitive laws may be measured through the conceptual terms such as analogy. Part 3 seems as the use of token reinforcing strategies within the behavioral analysis of different species greater often, showing how token processes may be used to shed the methodological gap that separates studies from humans from other animals. Component 4 discusses the appropriateness of token structures within the discipline of ethics. Token structures have the potential to develop studies and principles inside the behavioral economic system, permitting both a greater specific analysis of expenses and advantages beneath commonplace economic fashions and a comparable foreign money much like human financial structures. So at the end, I would like to conclude with that tokens can be used for investment purposes, to store value, or to make purchases. Cryptocurrency are digital currencies used to facilitate transactions, making and receiving payments along the blockchain. Thank you.
Thank you once again, Samina Sajid Mistry, for giving such an informative knowledge to our students. Going on further, the next title is Healthcare System Using Fuzzy Neural Network, and it will be presented by Assistant Professor Kadu Sara Imtiaz Mandlikar Muhammad. And the author is Assistant Professor Kadu Saraz Imtiaz and Mandlikar Muhammad.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A very good morning to one and all. Myself, Sara Imtiaz Kadu, Assistant Professor from Anjuman Islam Janjira Degree College of Science, Murud. I am here to present my views on healthcare system using fuzzy neural networks. I started by giving an introduction of it. Healthcare facilities in fashionable age are key challenge, particularly in developing countries wherever remote areas face lack of high quality hospitals and health workers. As computing has revolutionized varied fields of life, health has additionally benefited from it. During this paper, we tend to introduce a unique and intelligent care system that supported fashionable technologies like Web of Things, that is IoT, and machine learning. This technique is intelligent enough to sense and method a patient's knowledge through a medical call web. This technique is inexpensive resolution for the folks of remote are, as they will use it to search out whether or not they are stricken by a significant health issue and cure it consequently by contacting close to hospitals. The results of the experiments additionally show that the projected system is economical and intelligent enough to produce health facilities. The results bestowed during this paper are the proof of this idea. Architecture of the smart healthcare system, that the projected good care system has the aptitude of deciding as per the discovered conditions of the patient, supported blood heat, pulse rate, and heartbeats. This design is additionally energy economical answer, as a result of it doesn't activate all the sensors all the time. The algorithmic program utilized in the system can handle the usage of sensors and management their price and lifelong. The projected system addresses the difficulty of remote observance of patients and provides them with necessary treatment through specialists within the hospitals. The good care observance and patient management system projected during this study consists of communication channels, embedded internal and external sensors, IoT server, and cloud storage, and is supported by an entry. These activities square major performed at totally different levels of refinement named application layer, management layer, network layer, and device layer. The use of sensors and decision support system in telemedicine is a novel idea that improves working performance of telemedicine in rural areas. There are some used tools and data analysis. The use of analytics doubtless improves the accuracy and permits early unwellness detection personalization and value reduction in medical facilities. The subsequent set of tools and libraries were accustomed method and interpret patients' symptoms and health knowledge. First, the fuzzy neural network based mostly clinical call support system, a set of three sensors to measure patients' health data, a user interface for recording the input of patient systems, and mechanical man mobile application for computer program. The research lab measurements and calculations are the first concern and are necessary for current practice. On the opposite hand, wearable sensors have several blessings over research lab and workplace measurements because of gradual incorporation of multiple psychological measurements. This flexibility makes it potential to collect knowledge and it's needed with bigger temporal sampling and longer longitudinal timescales. These arrangement provides immense and valuable chance for knowledge analytics and machine learning strategies. The machine learning algorithms establish correlations between knowledge and clinical diagnosis trends. Now, I'm going to conclude this topic over here with conclusion and future work. The planned methodology consists of sensors for temperature, pulse rate, and pulse rate, and pressure level to assess the condition of the patient beneath observations. For deciding the doable conditions and cure, the system used a knowledge domain and formal logic system for intelligent higher cognitive process for patient care monitoring and management. The planned methodology conjointly tries to enhance the effectiveness of the system for patient care and observation in terms of your time, cost, and workforce utilization. The planned approach addresses the patient observation with sensors and shows cheap accuracy and value savings with relation to the systems in use. The study was tested on a tiny low sample of the population and located to be effective, accurate, and economical for the aim. The planned approach is generalized to date and it's able to customize it for additional important conditions like operation theater, medical care unit patients, newborn babies, and additional complicated patients. Within the future, we tend to propose the employment of additional sensors to induce additional patient knowledge for higher and improved designation. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Assistant Professor Kadu Saras Imtiaz and Manlika Mohammed, for giving such an informative knowledge to our students. So, going on further, the next title of the paper is Security Trends, and and it will be presented by Assistant Professor Kadu Saras Imtiaz and Manlika Mohammed, and the author of this paper is same Kadu Saras Imtiaz and Manlika Mohammed.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very good morning to one and all. Myself, Sara Imtiaz Kadu, Assistant Professor from Anjuman Islam Janjira Degree College of Science, Murud. I am here to present my views on security trends in Internet of Things. Let's begin with an introduction. The Internet of Things could be a network of embedded devices that square, measure unambiguously acknowledgeable and have embedded software package needed to speak between the transient states. The aim of this study is to explore separate IoT security challenges concerning presently deployed IoT standards and protocols. We have got given a close review during this study that focuses on IoT's close at hand security aspects, covering identification of risks concerning the present IoT system, novel security protocols, and security comes proffered in recent years. This work presents an updated review of the IoT designs within the protocols and standards that square major proffered for the next generation IoT systems. This study elicits the necessity for standardization at the communication and information audit level that exposes the hardware, software, and information to numerous threats and attacks. Lately, the complete network domain is undergoing a forceful industrial revolution. automation of networks has been a hot topic that has been trending for quite its slow, supplementing its web of things, that is IoT technology that paves the means for providing that part. The net of things is outlined because the inter-device atmosphere designed up by the devices that specialize in three necessary tasks, that are transmitting the information, receiving the information, and process received information. Analysis works on IoT depicts the proliferation of IoT within the field of healthcare, industrial setup, business analytics, education, etc. There are some security solutions. The latest IoT security solution square measures a IoT of directed towards software centric security strategies than standard security that was tool centric. Authentication, trust, and integrity of the line among IoT devices square measure the important security parameters bearing on that fashionable solutions square measure self-addressed. Thus, still at this level, IoT lags in supporting high powered devices and isn't compatible enough for header up with increasing heterogeneous entities. Okay, so now I'm concluding this presentation as our analysis findings on security risk in IoT emphasize the extensions of attack surface of the IoT threats and vulnerabilities in protocol based and experimental attacks that conveys the very fact that typical means that are not any longer as economical as they were earlier against dynamic attacks current in heterogeneous IoT attacks environments like malicious node and DDoS means distributed denial of service attack and botnet attacks. Investigations of up-to-date analysis models shows that majority of security solutions area units sought after through the implication of different types of secret writing ways that have tested to be an effective in securing communicating ways attack surface in IoT and promoting lower energy consumption within the method. The integration of technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence based formal logic ways, elliptical cryptanalytic functions, and blockchain has assisted in forming the safety of the IoT networks. During this work, efforts are created to deal with evolution of existing communication technologies, protocols, and internationally accepted worldwide standards. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kalu Saraz Imtiaz and Malika Mohammed, for giving such an informative knowledge to our students. Going on further, the next title of the paper is Smart Home Based Component Technologies and IoT. And it will be important for our students and all our colleagues to specially give attention to this project because we all know Alexa is listening to all our conversations. So be alert. And the professor who will be giving this presentation is Shruti C. Kharbari, and the author of this paper is Shruti C. Kharbari.
Hello, good morning. So this is Shruti Chandrasekhar Karbari, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, and my topic name is Research and Application on Smart Home Based Component Technologies and Internet of Things. So in abstract, the paper presents a look of sensible home system that support the web of things, which we are using IoT in this, and repair the element technologies. The present state of affairs IoT has been analyzed. The associate degree approach supported SOA and element technology has been projected and applied, which might facilitate to comprehend the ever changing dynamic linguistic integration of the online service. So what is more, the computer code design main modular explain in addition. Finally, this paper mentioned the heterogeneous data fusion with the web of things. In introduction, the Net of Things technology established the association between all things and also internet via sensing device and implements the intelligent identification management. So here is the various topics of research. So first is research on the current situation in IoT mainly involves the present state of affairs concerning the implementation technologies. In IoT technologies, the system structure of IoT principally have the EPC global system framework with the support of Europe and America and Japan's complex CYD. Then the next is research on the service computing and component technologies. In this service computing service science as a brand of new analysis field has gained lot of attention. At first stage, the Garter cluster planned through a SOA in 1996 to form a service computing development quickly. The primary high water of service computing appeared. A sample about home to use the IoT component technologies. So next is then smart house is the core element of intelligent community. Once the idea of IoT technology is introduced to the implementation of sensible home house, then it will hold a vary of management. For instance, sensible home involves the family security, family and medical treatment. Next one is heterogeneous information. It aims to cope with several knowledge to supply the knowledge and find higher quality of knowledge information supported to the content of network knowledge fusion technology. It's actually a mistreatment of the PC technology to work the time sequence parameters and running standing mental image applied to maths analysis. So in conclusion, the IoT brings a brand new age of technologies and might mendant of our life and job to a lot of intelligent and trendy stage. The analysis and application of element technology, also a new application mode of IoT like ocean computing will facilitate the IoT to a lot of wide fields like smart home, intelligent and residential area. A lot of alternative application can see in future. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you so much, Shruti C. Kharbari, for giving us so much inside knowledge and letting us know how Alexa is stealing all our data. Thank you so much. Going on further, the next title of this project is Smart Home Technologies, and it will be presented by Assistant Professor Shruti C. Kharbari, and the author is same Shruti C. Kharbari.
Hello all, so this is Shruti C. Karbhari and my research topic name is Smart Home Technology. So in abstract, the smart house is basically, it is a rising technology growing currently and it integrates the many of new technologies through home networking of rising human qualities to have the several concern researching in various technology to use good home system. Consequently, basically this paper reviews various topics on good home technologies for measuring a good home analysis come. The topic is predicted on the definition of good home, therefore the details of good home component and together with good home network. So basically we are studying the component technology which we are using for smart home system. Okay, so in introduction, generally once the electrical measurement is blocked, however it not is used, there is still the flow of electricity, which means we are going to lose the electricity concerning 5 to 10%. So here we are basically avoiding the use of electricity and making our home as a smart and sensible. Okay, then smart home technology, there is a smart home network first. The smart home network technology is classified in two main varieties, that is wired and wireless. In wiring system connected into the most power directly, therefore the information are sent to the device to activate or deactivate it. Then the next one is smart home controller. The smart home controller devices are used for managing the system by causing a knowledge or a signal to regulate the actuators. The sample of the controllers aren't solely remote. However, they will have even the smartphone or tablets like that. Then in home automation, we are in kitchen, then in living room and in bedroom. So in kitchen, the most detected regarding good technologies that room associate example appliances. The internet while good applies the technology good home to create the several works for easier. Moreover, the white goods consequently takes the associate automatic inventory of things within it. The user what additional microwaves also good. Microwaves will communicate with good white. Okay, then in living room, stepping far away from the room. Then in bedroom, we sorry, stepping far away from the room when a part of house. Good house technology resides a space good device like television, etc. And in bedroom, the room has good climate management that user will sense the chamber single touch heating and to many means basically controlling the temperature of bedroom using IoT. Then smart home challenges, the challenges one is security, then adoption of new setting and high price. So smart home consequently comes with some security issues. As an example, hackers will access the network system. Then adoption of new setting, then owning a sensible home suggests to having a find out a way to use your home needs to adapt to several innovations around you like security, lots of sensor. Then high price intelligence, although a sensible comes have several properties that produce humans' lives. The sensible properties until during higher tag, the value of an intelligent house is a result of number of new technologies comparatively new. In conclusion, the paper is supported that means of sensible home and details of sensible home parts. And also the main objective of this paper is administer survey of the sensible home research and summary. It describes a small print regarding sensible one because the development of technology grows, several analysis comes and consequently with develop. Currently sensible house is quite simply as controlled by the central. So this is about conclusion. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shruti Garbi, for giving us such an informative knowledge. Thank you so much. So the next title of the project is IoT and Robotics, and it will be presented by Assistant Professor Sheikh Tuba Muhammad Asif, and the author of this paper is same, Assistant Professor Sheikh Tuba Muhammad Asif.
Good morning everyone. Today I am here to explain the topic IoT and robotics, a synergy. The Internet of Robotic Things (IoRT) is initially introduced by Dan Kara at ABI Analysis that talks regarding the present IoT with active sensorization, thereby gap the door to novel business concept at the edge of IoT and artificial intelligence. This position paper considered the action between IoT and artificial intelligence. It talked regarding the technologies in IoT that will profit the robotic domain, the appearances of cloud computing intelligence and its role in mechanism functional like sensing, manipulation and quality. The paper then discussed the way in which with which robot will extend the capability of existing IoT infrastructure by acting a special category of edge device. IoT aided robotic application area unit mentioned in variety domain like healthcare, military, industrial plants and rescue operation. The paper concluded by considering the employment case of associating intelligence transcript blessed with the associate IoRT inspired design. Introduction. The Internet of Things has already started enjoying a virtual role in our daily life, in trade and society. It expected that by 2020 the quantity of internet connected with device would exceed 50 billions and a few quarter of a billion vehicles will be connected to the net, giving United States America new prospect of in-vehicle services and autonomous driving. The quantity of wearable device, sensor, RFID sensor, etc. Area unit all expected to grow within the future. All in all, IoT would have excellent impact on the economic with estimate of $4.6 trillion being generated within the public sector and $14.4 trillions within the non-public sector over the course of next 10 years. Cloud roboting. James Kufner the term cloud artificial intelligence in 2010 to explain a brand new approach to artificial intelligence that take the advantage of web as a resource for massively parallel computation and time period sharing of information resource. Google Autonomous Cars Area Unit Cloud Robots, they hook up with the web into the large information of a map and satellite image and setting models and use detector fusion to mix streaming information from its several cameras, GPS and 3D sensor to localize its position inside centimeter. Every of the autonomous car contribute to the current knowledge loop by learning regarding the environment, routes on driving condition and causing data over the Google Cloud, wherever it all often to improve the performance of alternative car. Broadly speaking, cloud computing are often to enhance the performance of robotic agent. Cloud computing. Cloud computing service embraces infrastructure as a service and platform as a service, for instance Amazon Net Service, Google Cipher Engine, IBM Watson. This service give huge gain in term of parallel computing by rental out an oversized pool of computing resource that may be used for short-run computing tasks originally used primarily by net application developer, scientists and technical high performance computing application have additional found a use for them. However, cloud computing is difficult once the area unit time period concentrate. Then this is one often a full of life space of analysis, but the area unit several AI application that do not scheme to be time sensitive, like a space of pre-computing graphs mentioned. IoT aided mechanisms application. The, the neutral action of IoT association in artificial intelligence remain mostly field of future technology that has the potential to motivate forceful change to. However, we have tendency to leave this day. IoT primarily based solution are dynamic. The approach we have to tendency to issue sensible home, wearable sensing, city, sensible grid, industrial net, connecting car, connecting health, sensible retail, sensible offer chain, and sensible farming. Many of the IoT application in today's time that have weightage. However, we have tendency to live as a society. Robotics, on the opposite hand, may be field of science that mean command back the technology of its time. To high it of the investment needed to deeply deploy artificial intelligence primarily based solution in high. Healthcare application. IoT application with the attention thread vary from remote watching of patient, wireless device that monitor the patient organs, and unit connected along in wireless body space network that delivers the collected knowledge of the foreign device for watching, following analysis. Edge device that gather timely knowledge of a patient, enable attention supplier to remote monitor, assist, and if doable give meditation to the patient for who it should not be possible to satisfy the attention provided. Medical instrumentation, so less quantities of your time goes into maintaining infrastructure. This will greatly improve the standard of medical services that distribute to patient. Rescue application. Smart object in area unit to collect emergency info and distribute the capture information to the specified source within the list of your time as potential. IoT device operational in an extendedly wireless device network area unit idle in disaster to really is essential info because the default communication infrastructure could also be broken. There are to monitor the relief and rescue operations of the affected websites. This info will be to organize and direct ground rescue force to essential area. Application in rescue area unit utilized in search and rescue. Wherever it to dangers or not physically potential for rescue and relief force to avoid wasting flow. Folks. IoT essential application IoT assisted application will be to coordinate with relief and rescue force on the bottom to rate operation per risk and injury to the setting, then to deploy application to perform search and risk operation on a high priority location. Conclusion. In this position paper, we have got investigated the natural process between IoT and robotic system. We have got look into however IoT system via cloud artificial intelligence may gain advantage robotic operation like sensing, manipulation, localization, etc. The paper additionally mentioned the way within which robotic may act and extensions to the item in IoT. However, they act because the arms and legs of IoT and additional as increased edge devices and gateway hubs. The military IoT-aided robotic application were additionally explored with a stress on healthcare, military, rescue operations and industrial application. The paper by taking the employment case of AN intelligence facility viewed of lightweighted of AN or AN IoRT design, thereby highlighted the potential such as AN design has on future technologies. Thank you.
Sheikh Tuba Mohammad Asim for letting us know how the IoT and robotics can be mixed together and they form such a good relationship in this technological world. So the next title of paper is The Internet of Robotic Things, a review of concept, added value and applications, and it will be presented by Assistant Professor Sheikh Mohammad Asim and the author is the same, Professor Sheikh Tuba Mohammad Asim.
Morning everyone. Today I am here to explain the topic the Internet of Things, a review of concept, added value and application. The Internet of Things is an rising vision that brings along precise sensors and objects with robotic and autonomous system. This survey examines however the merge of robotic and the net of thing technology can advance the talent of each, the present net of thing and also the current robotic system. The creation of recent doubtless Unity service, we tend to discuss number of the new technologies challenge created by the merge and conclude that a really holistic read is required, however presently lacking. Let's start with the introduction. The Internet of Things, IoT and artificial intelligence communities have thus far been derived by the totally different, however extremely complementary objects. The primary centered on supporting info service for precise sensing, following and monitoring. The later of manufacturing action, interaction and autonomous behavior. For this reason, it's more and more claimed that the creation of a web of robotic things combining the result of the two communities can bring a powerful side prize. Early sign of the IoT robotic will be seen in distributed heterogeneous automation management like network automation system or automation ecologies, or in approach like present robotic 6 to 8 and cloud computing 9 to 12 that place resource option on the service except the term Internet of Robotic Thing itself can convene in the extent report of ABI Research 1 to donate a thought wherever device information from a separate from a spread of source process exclamation native and disturbed intelligence. to management and manipulate object within the physical world. During this cyber physical perspective of IoRT device and information analytic technologies from the IoT to provide robot and wide situation awareness that ends up with a higher task use case embody intelligent transport and robots. Next topic is higher level ability. Decisional autonomy. Decisional autonomy refer to the power of the system to work out with the most effective course of action to fulfill its task and mission. This can be largely not thought about the IoT middleware, where applications simply decision association in nursing exploit API of known as good objective that hide the inner quality. Robotic typically have faith in computer science, coming up with a technique support model of the atmosphere of the attainable action. IoT conjointly wide the scope of decision autonomy by creating a lot of actors and action accessible like controllable elevators and a door. However, IoT device could dynamically become accessible for untouchable. That challenges classify multi-agent coming up with approach. An answer is to try to come up with the term abstract services that are mapped to actual device at runtime. Interaction ability. This is ability of a robot to interact physically, conjugately and socially either with user, operator or other system around it, while M2M protocol can be directly adapted in robotic software. Functionally pervasive IoT sensor will build a function means that human robot interact additionally natural language square measure or to instruct robot particularly for non-expert. However, they usually impulsive or contain implicit assumption. The IoT will give data on the position and state of object to this direction. Next topic is conjugative ability. By reasoning on inferring knowledge for experiences, conjugative robots are able to understand a relationship between themselves and therefore the setting between object and to access the attainable impact of their action. Some except of physiological feature were already mentioned with the previous section. As an example, multi-modal prescription. During this session, we tend to specialize in the physiological feature tasks or reasoning association degree learned in a IoRT multi-actor setting. Knowledge model or virtual element of physiological feature architecture are we like technique in each IoT and artificial intelligence for structured knowledge. Next topic is system level ability. Configurability. The given tasks or reconfig to perform completely different tasks. IoT is especially instrumental in supporting software package configurability, especially to joint configuration of a multiple device. Every contribute completely different capability and cooperating to the completion of complex object. The demand is most outstanding within the domain of supplies and advanced product, wherever equal reaction to distribution is required in the conjugation with adaptation to variable product objective. Dependability may be a varied attribute coverage, the different ability of hardware and code robotic element, safely guaranteed once cooperating with human, and the degree to the system will continue their missions once failure or alternative unforeseen circumstances occur. In a marine context, sensing element network are give info on a water current and ship position to the path planar of underwater guiders to avoid collision after they come to the surface or to preserve energy. A second means that is a powerful system engineering. This could take new form in associating degree IoT system. For example, mobile wireless communication may be a key for business where each field device, machine and mobile AVG are connected. Conclusion. Robotic and IoT are term every coverage of technologies and idea. During this review we have the additional price of the crossover of each technology domain into 9 system scale. The IoT blazing exploited by robotics are largely distributed by prescription as M2M protocol. The IoT has the point largely explode robots for achieve sensing method. Current IoT are nearly found in vertical application domain AAL, executed agriculture and a business for domain solution. As an example, the integrate robot in IoT middleware platforms are rising. It is our convention that IoT to transcend the reading of IoT aids robot or robot enhanced IoT. We have tendency to hope that the survey might simulate research for each discipline to start out.
Thank you so much, Professor Sheikh Tuba Muhammad Asim, for giving such an informative knowledge to our students.